Hey guys, this is the pole and the flag I bought from Groupon, the 25 feet aluminum flagpole kit. It comes in this box here, and I just lay it on the ground inside to show you guys. Okay, this is the bottom, the first section. This is the instruction here. And this piece goes, this is a plastic sleeve. It needs to be like this 16-inch wide hole you have to make in the ground, and 18-inch high, and the sleeves go in there, and then you assemble these pieces go fit together. There's no screw holding them, like you just put them together like this. This tapered end goes in to this other piece like this. If you want, you can like drill a hole and put a screw here just to hold it in place. And this piece is the cleat, where you attach this hardware comes with a hole and the two screws, just like this. This is the setup here. It's 25 feet long, as you can see. There's no more space length for me to put the other piece. It comes with the rope, 2 American flag, and these hooks here. This is the top section of it, which is not tapered. And this ball, you gotta screw this in with this nut here. The pulley is here, and there's a screw here. When you put it on this piece like this, you gotta screw it in with this screw here, and you gotta put your the rope on the pulley with the flag. This is the setup here. So I'm gonna set this up. This is just an unbox and review. This is very light. The aluminum is very light. It's not heavy. It's a long flag pole. So I'm gonna set this up, put it together, and put it outside and show you the finished installation. Bought this from Groupon. And that's the other flag over there.